Mobiddiction, custom maps digitally designed, interactive mapping experiences built for private venues, large-scale events, and managed locations. Our smart custom maps enable venues and event organisers to manage and showcase their spaces through a tailored, interactive digital interface. Designed for clarity, accessibility, and storytelling, these maps bring real environments to life with rich visuals, interactive points of interest, and intelligent wayfinding. Our custom maps are optimized for print, web, mobile, and on-site display platforms. Custom maps enhance visitor engagement, navigation, and operational efficiency. They give organizations the ability to manage dynamic spaces, highlight key attractions, and gain valuable insights into visitor behavior, all in real time. Every map is designed, developed, and supported by Mobiddiction's Australian-based in-house team, combining creative design, spatial data, and technology into one connected experience. Ideal for theme parks, schools, memorial parks, property developers, zoos, event organisers, and multi-level venues such as shopping centres, hospitals, or museums. Any organisation seeking smarter navigation, seamless visitor experiences, and data-driven insights. By blending technology with design, Mobiddiction connects people seamlessly to the places that matter most.